Okay, in this video, I want to show you how an incoming call looks with the new Chrome extension. So here I am just on the smartphone website, and you can see, because we've got the new functionality activated, I can see that there's an incoming call coming in. I can see it's for William Smart, and I can choose to accept or decline it. If I accept it, I'm now on the call, and I can, as usual, pop up, see, do everything I could normally do, and end the call, do whatever I want, and finish it. And the call stays there with the Chrome extension, even if I move around tabs. And I can choose to hang up and finalize the call or leave any notes that I want. And that is an enormous benefit to the smartphone Chrome extension, the ability to see an inbound call, accept it, do everything in the tabs you are in, as opposed to having to move over to smartphone.